Okay, it's August 10th. Been nonstop chasing for a little bit now, even though this monsoon started really late. It's been actually pretty good, decent. Lots of lightning the last couple days. Today we're at the Grand Canyon and hoping for storms, a couple rounds of storms. Now, I mean, there's like a storm out there far away, and it's supposed to be going all day. 71% chance of rain here, and lightning's been really good the last few days, so I expect it to be good today. That storm out there has got on radar, had about 100,000 bolts on it, and it wasn't that big, so that's good. And so hopefully storms, training a few rounds today, especially around 7 to 9, sunset, blue hour to dark. That would be the dream. So we'll see how today goes. Here's a little campsite. Brought a chair, brought a hoodie, tripods, bags, cooler in the car, and can't beat this view to just sit quiet, kind of picked a spot away from the parking lot, away from everybody, and people don't wander over here too much, so that's real nice. Yeah, I was saying that no one would find me over here, but that freaking guy did. But I knew he was coming. We're watching a good storm over here, but sadly it's too far away to really get much. But there's a lot of shear today, so you can kind of make out there's a lowering there. There's a little bit of edgy structure on radar. It seems to be rotating a little bit, so I just gotta hope that something builds off over here and does the same thing. It's starting to get a little more congested on this side, but this little structure there, that's looking real nice right there. That's real nice. All right, well, so we've got thunder and we've got rain, and we pretty sure a bolt landed over there, but we don't think any of us got it. But it looks nice over there. Too bad there's not more. But we got this storm over here finally dropping some rain, and so this could be really good. But they are moving kind of quick, so we need bolts to happen ASAP. Although it just feels like they've been happening up there, not here. So it's gotta hope. We're just begging for this. We heard thunder. Now we just need a couple of good ones to land. Maybe hit that little tower in front of us. Either way, it's moving across, so hopefully it just gets stronger. It's just hard to believe, like the last few days have been epic lightning, like on every rain shower. And so here we are, forecast perfect, 500 millibars, nice and cold, everything's great. And then this is happening and we don't get a lot of bolts. Just weather's a mystery. Well, we both just caught a little stubby bolt that came out of this and hit the side of the wall. The thunder sounds great. Hopefully I'll be able to, oh, yes! Where? Right in front of us!
Where in front?
Right here, but it went behind the orange, right in front of us. Thunder will be good. Just wait.
It's not. It's all right.
Good to see the wall cloud out there.
Oh, shit.
Just kidding. Maybe.
Man, this rain almost feels like it's back going towards us.
Yeah, dude, a bolt right there would be nice. We're filming it. All right, so we're kind of running because we got this shelf cloud approaching. This is gnarly looking shelf cloud, wow. And it's dropping lightning back there too. Well, storm passed. Stunning. I mean, look at this. Wow. And we've got waterfalls, water running down our trail here. So we got another storm maybe there, and one coming in there that was dropping lightning. We gotta just hope that it gets over here and does it. We really kind of got hosed on the storm came right on top of us here and dropped lightning in the canyon, but it was in the rain and we were not in the right spot. We could not get to another spot because too much traffic and too much pouring rain and a little bit of hail. So this is gorgeous. Look at this.
Devastating lightning bolts.
Mark is not happy. Why?
I'm here for close range lightning bolts in front of my camera.
Yeah, they were close range, not in front of our camera. But look at this. I mean, I think there's some Amatis up there. This is stunning. Ooh, thunder over there. That's that storm. We gotta shoot it. Ooh, let's go, let's go. Well, we've both just caught a bolt in there, which is just stunning. I mean, we've got crepuscular rays. Oh my goodness, my brain did not work there for a second. And so it dropped a bolt right in the middle of all that crepusque. It's also raining over there, so anything in here could probably drop a few. It'd be nice if we could get one. Oh man, like hitting right there would be just amazing. This is pretty. I have to leave any second, but it just started dropping lightning to the left. Something could happen here, be really close. A little nervous. But it's been happening over there, not here. That's pretty. Come on. Oh, drop a bolt, please. Oh, look at the rays. My God. This is some epic atmosphere right here. Look at this. Wow. God, my iPhone sucks. Trying to do video for this vlog and it cannot handle the oranges and the light. But here we go. Maybe it's that lens. I think it's the wide lens can't do it. This is so stunning. Here's a couple of photos that I like from Grand Canyon. Edited this one. This one's okay. I really wanted landing points, so it kind of stinks, but this is the one that's the heartbreaker. Very excited when I got it. If you watching the video, I literally pointed to that peak and said, one right there would be good. But my 100 to 500 missed it, and this was the 50. And it's kind of hard to see. It's very nitpicky, but it's out of focus. It's soft, and I was a little distracted. And that's the hard part, is getting distracted and forgetting to focus. But that would have been one of my favorite shots of the year. But a great chase and fun day.